Hey tribe, it's me again, back with another one. This reading is gonna be for Virgo, okay? And it's real late, and I was supposed to start this reading a long time ago, and I just didn't because I had things to do. But now, I have time, and yeah. So I'm gonna do the Virgo reading, and we'll see what comes out. Okay, wait. I might want some light. I don't know. Okay. All right. I think that's a little better. Right? Okay, so Virgo, let's see what's going on with y'all. Listen, these are not specific to any one person. Take what fits, leave what doesn't. Okay? I just go with the flow. That's just how I do tarot. Whatever I feel is what comes out. It might not resonate with you, then this is not your reading. Okay? Not to be funny, but it's not for everybody. Like me. And I'm okay with that. So, let's go. And I'm not saying that to say I'm better than anybody by far, okay? I'm just saying I am happy with who I am. That's it. And that's all. Okay? No ifs, ands, or buts about it. I know my flaws. I know my good points. And I embrace everything and try to change what I feel needs to change, and that's just me. And everybody ain't for everybody, and that's all right. So let's start, Virgo. I don't know if that has something to do with your reading, but we're gonna start off with the Kipper deck. Like I said, take what fits, leave what doesn't. Don't force anything to fit. If something does not resonate with you, then it's not for you. Okay. All right. Holy Spirit, make me a clear channel. Please bring me clear, concise, accurate messages for the Virgo collective, Sun, Mars, and Venus. I ask that you protect me and the collective from anything that is not the holiest white light. Anything that is not the holiest white light, please do not allow it to come in. In Jesus' holy name we pray. Amen. Main mail. Okay. We got thief. So somebody's a thief, Virgo. Okay. Or you feel this way about somebody. Doesn't make it true, but well, you might know. Don't. Okay. My bad. Okay, Virgo. If you know, you know. Okay? Okay. Privileged lady. Well, we got distant horizons. We got two more. Somebody could have gotten money stolen from them online. Yeah, and now they poor. Okay? Or they broke. Okay? has taken a heavy financial loss in some way. So I'm picking up on a guy that stole from a woman. Okay, take it how it fits. It could be the other way around, but that's what I'm feeling. Somebody could have lost their job. It could have been the person that lost their job that was stealing or something. Or you feel like somebody stole from you because you got something going on. You could have a business. You could have... Oop. Yeah. Okay? You could have a job. Whatever it is, you just have more finances than this person. Okay? At the bottom of the deck, we have the coffin. So somebody got gone. Yeah. We got, okay, so I feel like we got toil and labor as well. And then we got bad health. Unexpected income. So somebody could have gotten something from someone, and this person could have stolen from them as well. Okay? Yeah. Followed by the Lovers. Okay? Okay? Okay. So what's this main male? What's this main male? I already shuffled the cards, so I will take up less time. So if you don't see me shuffling, that's fine. Because I could get long-winded. What's this main male? Somebody could have also lost their job while on vacation. What? Feelings. Okay. Blocked. Spam, call, sex. So somebody could be blocked. Okay, so this fucked up over you. Okay. So I feel like if this is someone that got robbed, right? The person that did the robbing got blocked. And I feel like this person, okay, so like I said, somebody could have a business as well, because I keep picking up on that. And somebody could have been like siphoning money online. But somebody could have also gone on vacation and lost their job. Okay? What's this thief? A karmic lesson. What else for this thief? Oh. Closing this cycle. Closing this cycle. What else for the thief? Sex addiction. Okay. this privileged lady. So this masculine, this man, okay, you could see this person, Virgo, as a lesson, okay? Like something you had to go through. Karmic ties. What else for this privileged lady? Love, hate. So, excuse me. Things weren't always like great with this person. What's this privileged lady? Feeling like shit. Yeah. I bet you do feel like shit. But it's like this person has the nerve to be talking about feelings and how they feel and how fucked up they are over you. I feel like you could be reading the messages, reading the text messages, and leaving them on read. Some of you don't have your notification, your read notifications on. But I feel like you feel crazy. For those of you, especially those of you who might have gotten something from this person, okay? I'm hearing, you know, you were down for them. What's this? What's this distant horizons? It's like you were like this person's ride or die. Yeah. Excuse me. So, fairy tale came out. Phony tricks or illusions. This person, you feel like this person sold you a dream, or you was like living in some type of fantasy. I feel like you could have felt like you had a spiritual awakening from dealing with whoever this person is. This could have been a long distance relationship also. Yeah, heartbreak. I feel like somebody got I don't want to say duped, but somebody feels like they got played, basically, like, or they played right into something, or, you know. What's this despair? Somebody could also have a dog that they talk to when they, like their dog is the only friend they have when, you know. We have happily single, doing you, dating stress-free, setting goals, career focus. So, somebody's living single and somebody's upset about it. Yeah, twin flames. Secluded. You feel like you belong with this person. For some of you, Virgo. Like, you thought this was your person. Okay? landed upside down. Flip over. Secret accounts in reverse. Okay? And that's falling on top of occupation. So somebody got found out. Excuse me. Somebody got found out. What else for this occupation? Losing sleep, worried, replaying events, thinking about you. What else for this occupation? Too late. So somebody could have been at work while somebody was, doing whatever. Yeah, we got running. And we got divine masculine. So for some of you, you could have met somebody else. Okay? And for others of you, you just trying to get the hell away from this person or whatever. It's like you don't want to even be around this person. We got bitterness, resentment, anger, hurtful words. Okay? What's this main man? Breaking point, limit, final straw, overwhelmed. Yeah. Somebody was over it. You could have had kids for some of you with this person. With family. And we have curse, hex, witchcraft, negative mind. So for some of you, this person was doing stuff, okay? Or getting, ooh. Now, come on now, that's a lot. Or getting people to do stuff. It's not that much, 6. We got bluff, exhaustion. So somebody was wearing a mask. We got distance, apology, longing, and obsession. So this person could be obsessed with you, but it's like they just be doing the most. And it's like you're over it. All right? Some of you don't want to hear no apology. That's what I'm hearing. But I'm going to put these back. Now I'm going to shut up. We're going to clarify thief next. All right. What's this thief? Distracted. Yeah. So this person was doing the most. This person, for some of you, could have been a sex addict or just loved to have sex. It was like, some of you might even felt like this person was like objectifying you, you know? It was just, I feel like it just wasn't working on so many levels. Yeah, we got bitterness. Yeah, so let me shuffle. Okay. Resentment, anger, hurtful words. So there could have been some type of argument here as well. And that was the end of it. Like, for you at least. Yeah, emotional storm, turmoil, unstable, affected. So this could be them that's upset. Okay? For some of you, this person stole your youth, stole your time, stole your energy. even if they didn't steal from you financially. But I feel like they did see you as somebody that was or is, depending on your situation, that was good-hearted, good-souled, just good, a good person. Okay? And it's like, how did you get yourself into this with this person or something? What's this privileged lady? Fantasy. Okay? Somebody was daydreaming or imagining or fantasizing, like I said earlier, about something that wasn't probably ever good. You know what I'm saying? Like, yes, there would have been good moments and good times, memories. But that's what a lot of people get stuck on, is the memories. A lot of people get stuck on memories, and memories keep them in situations way longer than they should be. Okay? Because it's like, oh, we have so much, and especially if there's children involved, forget it. Okay? Me, I was just like, listen, we don't work. We have this child, okay? This child is a part of the two of us. Let's just do what we need to do. I don't care what you do with your life. Please don't worry about mine. Okay? And that's just how it was. I'm not about to... Why confuse my life any more than it already is? I'm not doing it. You know what I'm saying? So, it's like, listen, please, I wish you have a girlfriend. Please, I will introduce you to somebody. Okay? Because I really don't have time. Y'all think I'm playing. I'm being serious, but I'm being funny too, but I'm being serious. I don't got time. Why waste the years of my life that I have left on this earth to worry about what the hell somebody else is doing? What's wrong with me? Listen, we tried it. You know what I'm saying? It did not work. Okay. I believe it. You know? What's this privileged lady? Sorry, guys. I'm 22:42 on the time. Clinging. Yeah. Divine masculine again. Okay. So you looking... sorry. You're looking for your divine masculine, or you thought this was your divine masculine, but you realized it was just a karmic divine feminine. Okay? You thought this was your divine masculine. It's like you're still holding on to that fantasy. What's this? What is it? Distant horizons. For some of you, this person could have been going on vacations. Yeah, we have finality. We got hoping, expecting, faith, manifesting, and escaping, avoiding, blocking, pushing away. So I feel like I said, for some of you, it's still a little bitty part of you that wants to make things work with this person, even though you know they're not good for you. Male or female, okay? What's this despair? What's this Exhaustion. Exhaustion. What's this? Despair? Bluff. Pretending, mask, exaggeration. Y'all see the same cards that fell out that I put back in, then I shuffled. Okay. What else for this? Beauty. Charming, graceful, kind-hearted. Okay. So this is your energy, Virgo. I feel like you feel like this could make you question something about yourself, or like just have like low self-esteem. Okay? But no. Okay? You need to remember who the fuck you are. So, occupation, secret accounts. What's this occupation? Clarity. So somebody could have been doing something on the job, or you found something out. You witnessed something, or you saw photos. You could have seen photos from a vacation. Okay. Yeah, we got chemistry. And we got distance. So whatever this situation was, whatever this person did, this thing took over your mental for a while. Okay? I feel like once you found different things out, some of you found secret accounts. Some of you found out about a trip. Okay, but either way, whatever it is, yeah, some of you might not even, that might not even be the case. Okay, I'm just saying. Some of you have moved. Some of you have found something out about some type of vacation trip that took place. Okay. Foundation, established family security. Shallow, hollow, empty, boredom, and pain. It's like you feel like this person has no heart. Like this person does not have, they're like the opposite of you. When you really think about it, they're like the opposite of you. We got the Knight of Cups. So somebody could have made you some type of offer. You could have met someone new, some of you, that is an actual divine masculine. Some of you feel like I said, like you feel like this person is still, you still feel like this person is your divine masculine, no matter what y'all went through. Okay. 29:36 on the timer. What's this main man? What's this? Main male. We got the Empress. So this person sees you as who you are, right? Virgo, male or female, okay? This person sees you for who you are. But this person doesn't love themselves. Okay? We got strength. Yep. So we got Taurus, Libra, and Virgo energy. I mean Leo energy. You can have that in your chart. Somebody in this situation can have that in their chart. So you take care of business. This person knows, right? You could also be a mother. You could also, yeah, we got 3 major arcana cards. Temperance came out. So if you have kids with this person, it's like this person sees you as a great mom. You know what I'm saying? They see you as an earth angel. You could be an earth angel. Okay? Sagittarius energy. What's this? Thief. This is thief. We have the King of Pentacles and the King of Cups. Okay? Somebody, like I said, somebody saw you as level-headed, like just on point at all times, but also full of love, and they knew that you loved them. They knew that. Okay? This person knew exactly how you felt about them. Like I'm saying, this person doesn't love themselves. So whatever love that you showed them, I feel like this person got hooked on it. And now, I feel like some of you, y'all never heard this person talk about feelings ever in your life. I mean, you know what I'm saying? But now, all of a sudden, they want to talk about feelings and this and that. It's like, okay. What's this? Thief? We got the Sun. More major arcana. Leo energy. You found something out here. Something came to light. Yeah, and we got the Ace of Cups. So you intuitively figured out something. Okay, it's like your intuition guided you to finding whatever this thing is out. All right, and you followed it. I'm also feeling like for some of you, this could be somebody that you know or that you know of, that this person went wherever with. Okay, we got the Page of Swords. So you could be wanting to know something here, or they're wanting to know something. Excuse me. What else for this lady? know my shuffling is not the best. We have the Queen of Pentacles. Yeah. So, like I said, for some of you, you may have a business or have had a business, whatever, right? But you was, like I said, you also took care of your family. So you can have this person blocked and they're spying. Now we got the Page of Cups. And it came out, it landed where it was like upright, okay? Sorry, guys. If you know, you know. Okay. I'm not going to say it in every reading. Oh my gosh, we got the Hierophant. So, Spirit was very much involved, okay, in this situation. You could have a spirit team or a spirit guide, Virgo, that you connect with, okay? What else? We got Justice. Yo, what is going on here? So, your ancestors and whoever else you connect with in spirit, Virgo, they are very much behind whatever's going on here, and they're going to see to it that you get your fair due. That's what I'm getting. We got six of Pentacles. So yeah, like I said, your ancestors and whoever you connect with, right? They brought it to your attention. Whatever happened, you could have even thought that to yourself, like, you know, the way you found out was so random, right? That he was overseas doing stuff. Because like I said, you are a good person. You are here as an earth angel. You have a good heart. You have a good soul. You know? What's this despair? We got the Fool. Alright? Yeah. I feel like somebody here they just feel like they did the most. Somebody did the most. Yeah, we got the Queen of Cups. Because they knew. They knew you loved them. Okay? They took advantage of your kind heart, is what I'm getting. What else for this despair? What else for this despair? Oh, okay. I don't know if I want to take that, but the Ace of Wands came out, and it wanted to come out. Listen, it came out crossing, okay? So I feel like it could have been some type of possible health situation as well for some of you. Okay. What's this occupation? You feel like somebody feels like they took a risk messing with this person. Just, I feel like somebody's like thinking about it now, like now that they have nothing else to do but be in their head. It's like they're thinking about everything. Okay. What's this occupation? For some of you, you knew about this person's trips. For some of you, this was a work colleague of this person's that they had some type of chemistry with. Because you could have thought this person was beautiful yourself. Like, oh, she's pretty. Or she's, you know. And I feel like some of you feel like you may have, like, noticed something and said nothing, you know? Yeah, we got the death card. Scorpio energy. Boy, I tell you. That was the end of it. I feel like once you found that out, that was the end of it. What else for this occupation? Okay. Okay. We got the devil. Yeah, so this person has some type of sex addiction. Okay? It was like this person couldn't help themselves. But I feel like I said, this person does not love themselves. So they need people to make them feel loved. Okay? You know what that's giving. But I'm not going to say it. Okay. And we have the Seven of Swords reversed. Yeah. I feel like this person admitted it to you, what they were doing. And for some of you, this is somebody that you knew for a long time. This is somebody that you have kids with. Confirmation. My neighbor's dog just barked. Okay? And then we have the Six of Wands. Okay? And the Ace of Swords. So, I feel like this person, you holding on to the memories of the good times. But it's like you know the truth, though. It's like you're coming to that realization, you know? Some of you could be talking to somebody that you feel might actually be a divine masculine, but I feel like whatever this person did has you like not wanting to even put your feelings back out there like that, only to have the same thing happen again. Okay? But I'm going to leave it there, 44:44 on the timer when I said that. Virgo, I hope this resonated. I can't control that, you know? But I hope it gave you some insight. Okay? Sorry for the froggy throat. I'm about to go get me something to drink. My mouth is so dry. All right, Virgo. Like, share, subscribe if you want to, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love you. Later.